All even numbers, as we studied before, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Even numbers. Okay, how can we know that the number is even or odd? If we have a big number, how can we know that this number is even or odd? Okay, all we have to do to look to the ones place. If you see one of these digits, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, if you see one of these digits in the ones place of the number, so this number is even number and we can divide it by 2. Okay, that's our first rule. If you want to check the divisibility rule of 2, so you have to look to the first digit, which is the first place, the ones place. If you see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so this number is even number and we can divide it by 2. That's the first rule. Okay, the second rule about 3. How can we know that the number is divisible by 3? If we want to know that the number is divisible by 3, you have to add its digits. You have to add its digits. If we found the digits in the multiplication table of 3, so this number is divisible by 3. Okay, let's move to 5. How can we know that the number is divisible by 5? We all know that the multiplication table of 5 starts with 0 or 5, 0 or 5, 0 or 5, right? So the ones place should be 0 or 5. So the ones place should be 0 or 5. Okay? And the last number with us today, 7. How can we know that the number is divisible by 7? You have to keep your timetable of 7. So you have to check the table. Okay? This rule we're gonna use today in today's lesson, okay? To check if the number is prime or composite number. So you have to keep it. Okay, write this, guys. You have 2 minutes to finish it. Okay, guys, let's move to the next page. That's our rules for this page, okay? Let's move to the next page to start to solve problems. So in this page, you have to tell whether 51 is prime or composite numbers. Okay, let's write it here. Okay, let's try it with our 4 numbers, which are 2, 3, 5, 7. That's the 4 numbers you have to check it with. So, firstly, I will ask someone of you, can we divide 51 by 2 or not? Think about it. Ahmed Shamasi.
Super easy, Mr. Mo'men. It's no, because it's even number.
Which one is even?
The 51.
51 is even? Are you ready? Or are you sure?
It's odd. I mean, it's odd.
It's odd because it starts with 1, right?
Yeah.
So can we divide it by 2?
No.
No, we can't divide it by 2.
And also, if you go to the multiple table of 2, you will not find 51.
Because it's not even, man. It's not even. So
Yeah.
you're right. Thank you so much, man. Great job. Okay, what about 3? Can we divide 51 by 3 or not? How can we know? Yes, Faris. You have a bad connection, Faris. You have a
Yes,
bad
because
connection.
the 51 is
Yes.
odd and the 3 is odd.
No, not like that. Not all the odd numbers divisible by 3, by the way. You have to check the rules that we wrote in the previous page. How can we know that the number is divisible by 3?
Add 8 digits.
So you
Add
have to
8
add its
digits.
digits. So let's add the digits of 51. Okay? So 5 plus 1 equals what? You have
What?
a bad connection,
5.
man. It will be
Yeah,
6,
that
right?
net is bad.
Okay, I'll get back to you, Faris,
What?
later. Thank you, man. Okay, Abdullah Ali.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Abdullah. So, can we say that 51 divisible by 3 or not here, in this case?
By 3 or 5.
No, I'm asking about 3. We didn't finish with 3. Can we divide by 3?
No.
Why? We have 6. After we add our the digits equals 6. So 6 in multiplication table of 3 or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
So 6 in multiplication table of 3. So we can divide 51 by 3, right?
Okay, I want to answer number 5.
Wait. So after that, if it works with one digit, so you have to stop. Don't continue. You don't have to continue because if it works with one number, so it will be composite.
Composite.
Okay?
Composite.
So it will be
Yeah.
composite, okay? So if it works with one number, only one number, if it works with only one number, so it will be composite. If it doesn't work with all numbers, so it will be prime. Okay?
Okay.
Got it, Abdullah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Stay with me, Abdullah.
Okay.
What about the next one, which is tell whether
Teacher
18,
number
18 is prime or composite number? So how can we know? Let's rewrite it here. 18.
teacher number page 305. I don't complete it. I don't do this.
No, it's okay. It's okay. But we have 18 here. Can you continue with me, please? 18.
Yeah.
Is it prime or composite number?
Wait.
How can we know? So you have four numbers to check with, okay?
Okay.
What is the four numbers? So you're gonna check
The 2 and
2,
3 and 5 and
3,
7.
5, 7, okay? You have to repeat these steps every single time with every single number, okay? To check if
Okay.
it composite or prime, okay? So first of all, can we divide it with 2? Can we divide 18 with 2? How can we know?
We we this
Look to,
yeah, no, we can't, because it was plus 1 become 9.
okay, what about
Then
Yusuf? Yusuf, what do you think about Abdullah's answer?
Joseph.
Can we divide 18 by 2 or not?
Yes, we can.
Why?
Because 9 it's multiplied by 2 equals 18.
Great, great. It's the reason. But if you have a number greater than 18, how can you know that this number is divisible by 2? How can you know? It's our rules, man. We just wrote it in the previous page.
Wait, I know it. Only just now I know it. That we cannot divide 18 by 2.
Yes, so you have 8, you have to look to the ones place, right? And the ones
Yes.
place here is 8, right?
Yes.
So 8 here is even or odd?
Even.
Even, right?
Because
So
yes.
can we divide it by 2?
No.
Oh, come on, man.
Yeah,
Come
we can, we
on.
can. We
Even
can.
numbers goes with 2, okay? So we can divide it by 2. So 18 can divide it by 2. Shall we continue, Yusuf, or just stop here?
Complete.
No. You don't have to complete because you will waste your time if you complete. Just we are checking every single number. If it work with one number, so stop in this number and it will be composite number or prime number.
Composite.
Excellent. So 18 here is composite
Because
number.
because me I cheated.
No, 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 no. If it works, Yusuf, it works with 2, right? So
Yes.
if it works, it's
So
simple.
it's
If it works
composite.
with one number, so it will be composite. If it didn't work with the 4 numbers, so it will be prime. It's very simple. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much, Yusuf. Great job, man. Thank you, Abdul Ali. Okay, my prince.
Yes, Mo'men.
Hi, Ryan. How are you?
Good.
Okay, can you help with number 2 here?
Okay.
11. So can you tell me if 11 prime or composite number? Let's make a space for it. Okay, and let's rewrite it here. 11. Yes. How can we check with 2?
Because in the multiplication of 2, there's nothing equals 11 in it.
Great, great. You're great. Or another way to think about it, let's look to the ones place. What the ones place in 11? Where the
It's
ones
1.
place? 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 here. Is it odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. So we can't divide it by 2. It's very simple,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about 3, Ryan? Can we divide 11 by 3? How can we know?
Right. Still, we can divide it. Add the digit.
Yes, you have to
Okay.
add the digits.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's make
Okay.
a small plus here and add the digit. 1
Yeah.
plus 1 equals 2. Is there any number multiplied by 3 gives us 2?
No.
So we can divide by 3 as well. What about 5, Ryan? Is 11
5?
divisible by 5?
No.
No. Why?
Because in multiplication of table of 5, there's nothing 11, just 10.
Just 10 or 15 or 25 or 20. So it should start with 0 or 5, right?
Yeah.
But here it starts with 11, 1, right?
Yeah.
So we can't take 5. What about 7? Is there any number in the multiplication table of 7 equals 11? 7 multiplied by
Mm,
1 equals 7. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14.
no,
Right?
no, no, no.
So there is no number.
Yeah.
So in this case, we have 11 didn't work with all numbers, right?
Yeah.
So in this case, 11, it will be what? Prime or composite?
Prime.
Prime. Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, the next one. Ali Sahati.
Yeah, hello, teacher.
Hi Ali, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, can you help with the next one?
Yeah,
Okay, so let's write it here. It will be 73. And let's check it together. Let's check it with 2. Can we divide it by 2, Ali?
nope.
Why?
Because 7 we can't divide it by.
But
Because
7
there
in a
is 7.
tens place.
So when it's
We,
be
we,
tens place,
we,
it's
we,
big.
we are not using the tens place. We are using the ones place here. So where is
Okay.
the ones place?
7.
Uh-huh. Where is the ones place? 73. Where is the ones place, man?
3.
7 or 3? Of course, the ones
3.
place is 3. 7 is the tens place. So 3 is odd number or even number?
Mm,
Of course, you know
it's odd.
the odd number and the even number. The even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's the even
I
numbers.
think odd.
So 3 is not one of them. So it will be odd. So can we divide it by 2 now?
Yes.
Come
I
on.
mean, no.
No, we can't divide odd number by 2 because only even numbers divisible by 2. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what about 3? How can we know that this number is divisible by 3 or not?
3 multiplied by 3.
Do you know this note?
3, 3 plus 1.
Add the digits. Add the digits of this number. Come on, guys, you have to keep these rules in your mind. You can't know that the number is prime or composite number without using these rules. So 73, if you want to make sure that it's divisible by 3 or not, you have to add its digits together. So it would be 7 plus 3 equals what, Ali?
Equals 11.
Are you
No, I
sure?
mean 10. 11. Sorry.
10. So 10 in multiplication table of 3.
Mm, no.
No. So we can't divide 73 by 3. Thank you, Ali. Great job, man. Okay, Mahdi.
I am here.
Thank you for this. Okay. What about 5? Can we divide 73 by 5, Mahdi?
73 by 5.
Yes, can we divide it? Now,
No.
how can we know that the number can we divide it by 5? How can we know? In the rules. The ones place should be 0 or 5, right, Mahdi?
Yeah.
So, do you think that 73, the ones place of it, 0 or 5?
No.
So we can't divide it by 5. It's very simple. Okay?
Yeah.
Mahdi, what about 7? Can you find 73 in multiplication table of 7?
Yes.
What multiplied by 7 gives us 73? Is there any number multiplied by 7 gives us 73?
Mm,
No,
no.
because 10 multiplied by 7 equals 70, and 11 multiplied by 7 equals 77. So there is no number multiplied by 7 equals 73, right?
Yeah.
So we can take it also. Thank you so much, Mahdi. Okay. What about Sulaiman? Sulaiman, are you there? Okay, what about Abdul Muhsin?
Yes, miss.
Okay, Abdul Muhsin.
What?
We
I
have
cannot
here.
hear you now. Yeah, now
Yes,
I
I
hear you
can
good.
hear you now, but wait for your turn, Sulaiman, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you are the next one, so be with me. Don't turn
Okay.
off your mic, Sulaiman.
Okay. I promise you, I will don't close my mic.
Okay, Abdul Muhsin, are you still with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what does it mean? It's it didn't work with 2 or 3 or 5, and also with 7. It didn't work with all numbers. So what does it mean? It's prime number or composite number.
Prime.
What?
Prime.
Raise your voice, please. I can't hear you well.
Prime.
Prime, excellent. So it will be prime number. So 73 here is prime number. Thank you so much, Abdul Muhsin.
So can I do
Okay,
number 4?
Sulaiman,
Yes.
you're the next one, which is number 4. Okay, number 5. Sorry,
Okay.
number 5. You're the number 5, Abdul Muhsin. Okay,
I
stay
will
with
mute my.
me. Stay with me, Abdul Muhsin. Sulaiman,
Yes.
number 4 at Sulaiman. We have 69. Let's read this, and we want to check if it composite or prime. Can you do it?
Okay. I
So it
can.
will be 69 here. Okay, firstly, let's check it with 2. So can we divide 69 by 2 or not?
No.
How can you know that?
Because 69 is not opposite.
No, that's not the reason. How can we know that? Check the rules.
Because it's not.
Ayham, can you help?
Maybe Fire Salamin he can help.
Okay, I'll check it. Ayham, Abdulaziz Al-Jandan. Ayham, are you there? Speak to me
Yes,
now.
yes, yes, you hear
Okay.
me? You hear
Yes,
me?
I can hear you now. So, can we divide 69 by 2, Ayham?
69 by 2, no.
Why?
69.
How can we know that the number divisible by 2 or not? We have a rule for that. Check the rule that we wrote in the previous page.
I know.
Yes, Abdul Muhsin.
There is no number that gives us 69 in the multiplication of 2.
Okay, is there any reason else? Guys, if you want to check with 2, you have to check the ones place of the number. What is the ones place here?
9.
9. So let's ask 9. Are you even or odd?
She can't talk.
But you can talk, right?
Yeah,
So tell me, 9 is even or odd?
even.
Do you see it here? That's the even digits. Do you see it here?
Yeah. The even digits is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
So 9 here is even. Do you think about that?
No, no.
So we can divide it by 2.
6.
Okay. Can we divide this by 3?
No. Yeah.
How can you know? We have to add its digits, right? So
Yeah.
add the digits of 69. So 6 plus 9 equals 15.
69.
6 plus 9 equals 15. So 15, can we divide it by 2, by 3 or not? Is it a multiplication
Yeah.
table of 3?
We can. Yeah.
So we can
because
divide
we-
69 by 3, right?
Yeah, right.
So that's our answer. Okay, shall we continue, Sulaiman, or stop here?
Stop here.
Stop here. So the number 69 is composite number or prime number?
Prime number.
Prime number if it didn't work with all numbers. If it didn't work with all numbers, so it will be prime number. Okay, but it works with 3, right?
Yeah, right.
So if it worked with one number, so it will be composite number. Thank you so much, my
Yeah.
dear. Great job, Sulaiman. Okay, Abdul Mohsen, the last one, number 5. Hurry up, please. We don't have enough time. Abdul Mohsen, are you there? Okay, Ryan, come on.
Mr.Mo'men.
Hi, Ryan. You're so funny, man.
Did you see what I just do?
Of course. I enjoyed that class. Okay, 42. Tell me, is it composite number or prime number?
It's
Firstly,
composite.
with 2. Okay, how can you know? Firstly, you have to check with 2. Can we divide it by 2?
Yes.
Why?
Add a digit. There's a multiplication of 2, there's no 42. So we look at 42 and we see the ones. It's a weak number then.
I'm not asking about weak or strong, okay? I'm asking about even or odd, okay?
It is even.
So you have to look to the 2. It's even or odd?
Even.
Even. So can we divide it by 2 now?
No.
Huh?
I said yes.
Yes, come We can divide by 2. Even numbers divided by 2.
By I think.
Can we divide by 2? Yes, we can divide by 2. Okay. So we have here 2. Shall we continue?
Yes.
No. If it works with one number, so you don't have to continue. You're wasting my
Oh.
time. Okay, so you have to stop, okay? Because if you continue, you're wasting your time. So don't continue because it works with one number, so it will be composite.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Don't forget to to check your homework on Think Central, okay?
With the best
See you
teacher.
tomorrow, guys. Bye.